Aromatherapy is a holistic healing treatment that uses natural plant extracts to promote health and well-being. Sometimes it's called essential oil therapy. Aromatherapy uses aromatic essential oils medicinally to improve the health of the body, mind, and spirit. It enhances both physical and emotional health. Aromatherapy is thought of as both an art and a science. Recently, aromatherapy has gained more recognition in the fields of science and medicine. Visit the aromatherapy section at lulisenchantigems.com in the Magickal Compendium to learn different ways of using oils and such. Essential oils are versatile, each one can perform a variety of functions. There are 5 essential oils in the basic care kit, which between them will manage a huge number of problems. The short profile of each of these oils that follows may help you decide which to include in your kit, and which to add as time goes on. The choice will very much depend on your own requirements, and always speak to your doctor before intaking such oils, especially if you are taking medicine. Never stop taking prescribed medicine for oils, they are not a substitute. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, before applying on your skin, and avoid taking any oils orally. The first oil is lavender. Lavender is an indispensable essential oil. It's not only useful to have at home, but many people won't leave home without it. In a sense, it's the mother of all essential oils, incredibly versatile, yet powerful. The aroma doesn't suit all tastes, but when someone suffers a minor burn or scald, a cut or graze, an insect bite or a headache or sleeplessness, it's lavender they call for. Not only is lavender a spectacular healer that also prevents scarring, it's a mood tonic that brings calm, relaxation, and stress relief. Lavender oil is a natural antiseptic, antibiotic, and slightly antifungal agent that's also a sedative and antidepressant, although not known specifically as a circulatory stimulant. The second oil is chamomile. There are several essential oil producing plants called chamomile, but the 2 most commonly used in aromatherapy and known as the true chamomiles are Chamomile Roman, which is included here, and Chamomile German, Matricaria recutita, which is distinguished by its beautiful deep blue color, due to a high azulene content. Chamomile Roman is an excellent anti-inflammatory oil, which makes it valuable in a wide range of conditions. It is also antiseptic, antibacterial, and when combined with other oils, analgesic, and it is used in recovery from burns, including sunburn, as well as for asthma, sprains, strains, diarrhea, nausea, and fever. It is also used for a variety of skin care issues, including in rejuvenation treatments. Chamomile Roman is calming and sedative, particularly effective in the treatment of nervous conditions, depressive states, and insomnia. It has a balancing effect in blends. Chamomile is a strong but humble oil that works on the mind, body, and spirit, the psychological as well as the physical. As it's essentially a soothing oil, Chamomile Roman is good to use with children, and also with the inner child, in adults. This is an oil with many subtle levels. The third oil is rosemary. Rosemary is a good analgesic essential oil, useful in the treatment of all muscular problems, as well as joint conditions such as arthritis and rheumatism. It's used both for respiratory tract issues and, in small amounts, for conditions of the liver and kidneys. Rosemary is a very stimulating essential oil, having an effect on both the physical body and the analytical mind. All these attributes make rosemary energizing when facing an exhausting, mentally challenging day, or following a physically stressful one. Rosemary is an aid to memory, whether required for enhancing the ability of the brain to function well or exploring long-term emotional memory. It's also used in the treatment of depression, migraine, headaches, anxiety, and stress. Rosemary is helpful in a variety of beauty treatments, including those for cellulite, acne, and hair care. For the sports person, cook, or gardener, rosemary is invaluable. The fourth oil is peppermint. peppermint is hugely helpful in all problems of the digestive tract, including indigestion, flatulence, irritable bowel syndrome, and stomach-derived halitosis. It's also useful in certain conditions of the respiratory and circulatory systems and as an all-round tonic. Peppermint is an analgesic, antiseptic, cooling, anti-inflammatory oil with some antifungal properties. It has a place in the treatment of catarrh, headaches, migraines, skin irritations, rheumatism, toothache, and fatigue. In small amounts, it can be incorporated into complex perfumes or room blends, providing a subtle back note. It has a unique place in cookery, while also being able to keep ants, fleas, and mice away. Peppermint is a multi-purpose oil, and a useful addition to the basic care kit. The fifth oil is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus radiata has been chosen for the basic care kit because it's the species of the genus Eucalyptus that can safely be used on those with long-term chronic conditions, while also being a strong and effective essential oil. Eucalyptus radiata is perhaps best known for its effectiveness against respiratory tract infections, but it has many other uses too. This is an antiseptic, antibiotic, antiviral, and analgesic essential oil, with anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and deodorizing properties. As part of complex blends, eucalyptus radiata can also be helpful in the treatment of cystitis and candida. It cools the body in summer, while also treating sunburn and deterring insects, and it is warming in the winter, while keeping infection at bay. For more oils and their uses, visit Lulis and Chantagem's Aromatherapy.